Hello and welcome to this video. On this video we're going to be doing a quick review of the EGO LM2102 SP 21-inch cordless lawnmower. This uses a lithium-ion type battery, and I'll show you about that here in a minute, because the first thing you have to do is when you take it out of the box, you have to charge the battery. I have it sitting up on its end right now, and that's the way you have it sitting for storage normally. And it also allows you to clean underneath it with a whisk broom or suitable type brush so you can get all the old grass out. So having said that, we'll set it down and show you how to set it up. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we have a charged battery, and we're going to open up the battery compartment and install the charged battery. It just slides right in and pops into place, locks into place. Now we're ready to go ahead and fold up the handle and get it ready to start so that we're ready to mow. So the handle has a couple of different positions. This is the one where you have it so you can take the bag or the grass catcher off, which we have sitting here next to it, and we'll show you in the video. And then you can fold it down to your liking, so there's 2 or 3 different comfort positions, but first you have to telescope it out, so we'll show you that here next. Okay, with the handle in its current position, you're ready to install the bag. So we'll go ahead and show you how to clip that on real quick. You just lift up the back area where the grass would normally come out of, the grass chute. You attach the grass catcher, and then now you're going to move the handle down into position like that. It clicks into position, and now you're going to telescope it out. And then there's a couple of comfort positions you can telescope it to. So that's how you do it, and now we're going to show you how to actually run it and mow the yard next. Okay, to adjust the deck height, there's an adjuster on the side, and you're going to move the lever so the deck moves up and down. We're going to start out with the highest point so we can see how it cuts first. So we'll get that adjusted, and then we'll come show you how to do the operations. Okay, this lawnmower has several safety features. One of them is you can self-propel it without the blade spinning, and you do that by just pushing the right control lever, like that. Now, we'll pull the lawnmower back, and we will show you how to push the interlock button and then start the blade. Now that's how you run the blade. Now if you want to run both of them at the same time, you have to go through that same sequence of push the button, pull back on the lever, and push the right hand lever at the same time, and you're ready to mow. So we'll take it out in the yard and see what happens. So we're ready to start trying it out now, and we're going to go ahead and start it up and self-propel it forward, and you'll see how it works. It's very, very quiet. You could be doing this at 3 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, we'll let you know in the comments how this thing works out. It's really a nice mower, it looks like, well packed, and we'll see you on another video again soon. Thank you for watching.